Hello again everybody. So today a Euro cylinder, nothing special, ERA. I thought I'd delve into my naughty bucket and found this at the bottom. Haven't tried it for ages. Shouldn't be too bad. Bitting's not too bad. 5 pins. Not sure why I could never pick it before, but let's give it a go. So, we have Mad Bob's 0.8 tension wrench, straight one, and a 15 thousandths Peterson number 7 hook. So one is binding. Right, we've got a click out of one. Very slight movement on the core, but nothing special. Right, that was a click out of 2. 3 is springy, 4 springy, 5. Feels like it's binding, but it doesn't want to go anywhere at the moment. Very light tension on here. So 1's still up there. 2, 3 still springy. 4 springy. Number 5, come on. No, 1, there we go, 2, we got another click and turn on the core, very slight full set, 3 is now binding, very slight counter rotation, doesn't want, still doesn't want to go. That's with no tension on there at all. 4, right, we got a click out of 4 that time. And a click out of 5. So that's 1, 2, 3. We got a click and lost some of our full set. 4. 5. That was 3, got the full set back. 4, click out of 4. 5, and there we go, open. I say not too taxing. So let's just gut it for the hell of it. Got nothing better to do this afternoon. See what's in there. Haven't looked inside an ERA for ages. Right, which end are we? That end there. So get the pins to there. Try and get this circlip off. On the circlip. Right, that's that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all standard. Lose that. There's number 5. That's standard. Don't know if you can actually see up there. It's probably why I had problems with it in the past. Actually looking quite rusty in there. Probably what was holding it up in the past. 4. There's a spool. 3 is a standard. Oh, 2 and 1. I imagine that was probably the spool in 2 and a standard in 1. So nothing else special about it. Like I say, other than that corrosion up inside, which is probably what caused me to have problems in the past. Anyway, open now. Nice quick one. There's the pins. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.